Welcome everyone. So finally we'll get our hands dirty by calculating the confidence level for one sample and when the variance is known. Let's say you work in a marketing campaign to price a new medical equipment in one of the cities. So you need to calculate the confidence intervals of income for the clinics that will buy the equipment in that city. And you learned from a previous study the standard deviation. Standard deviation is the square root of the variance of monthly clinics income in that city is $15,000. So the variance or standard deviation is known from a past study in that city. And for this purpose, you collected an income sample for 30 clinics. And this is the formula to calculate the confidence interval. And we called Z times sigma divided by square root a margin of error. So we have the mean or X bar in the middle, and the value from here to the upper confidence limit, we call it the margin of error. And we got exactly the same margin of error on the left side. So let's again understand all the characters in our formula. X bar is the sample mean. So we are using the sample mean to estimate the population mean. But because the sample mean is not exactly equals the population mean, for that reason, we are subtracting and adding the margin of error. And margin of error is Z, and Z here is the standard variable. And sigma is the standard deviation, which is known in this case, because here we are calculating the confidence interval where the population variance or standard deviation is known, divided by square root of the sample size, or lowercase n. And as you see, we have here alpha divided by 2. We are taking the right and the left side of the interval level.